Skiplagged Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Skiplagged app and related services are in the description. Skiplagged is a unique travel booking app designed for travelers looking to save money on flights using a strategy called hidden city ticketing. Unlike traditional travel search engines, Skiplagged helps users find flights where the layover city is the actual destination, often resulting in cheaper fares than booking a direct flight. This makes it a powerful tool for budget-conscious travelers who want to exploit airline pricing loopholes. The app is simple to use. Just enter your departure and destination cities, and Skiplagged will display hidden city fares, along with regular flights, allowing you to compare prices. The price differences can be significant, sometimes saving travelers hundreds of dollars compared to booking directly with airlines. However, there are important considerations. You can't check bags, as they will be sent to the final destination, and you must avoid using frequent flyer accounts, as airlines may penalize users who repeatedly use hidden city ticketing. Beyond flights, Skiplagged also offers hotel deals, often under exclusive, unpublished rates that aren't listed on major booking sites. This makes it a useful tool not just for airfare savings, but also for budget-friendly accommodation options. The app's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to search, compare, and book with just a few taps. One downside is that airlines disapprove of hidden city ticketing, and some have policies against it, so there's always a small risk of complications. However, for travelers who are flexible and willing to travel light, Skiplagged is an excellent way to cut travel costs significantly. If you're looking for the cheapest way to fly and don't mind skipping traditional booking methods, Skiplagged is a game changer. Check it out and start saving on your next trip.